Welcome to Quest 26, ZIA. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. ZIA was developed with golden sun-kissed imagery as a top priority. Each preset variation lends itself to honey amber skin tones with slight variations in tonality, giving you the perfect grade for every scene under the sun you may encounter. Also included are 3 sunburst presets, both horizontal and vertical variations, designed to create or enhance an already existing light source for a one-of-a-kind dramatic effect. And lastly, be sure to use the Dorado preset for that extra dose of warmth your imagery has been missing. ZIA 01, honey brown earth tones paired with lush greens for a neutral palette with a healthy boost in warmth, muted highlights and deep blacks for a soft yet striking appearance. ZIA 02, a variation with a push in amber and a decrease in green saturation, along with a slight boost in warmth. ZIA 03, a desaturated variation with a heavy push in warmth for a copper sepia feel.